You think a cruise ship casino is just a place to gamble. You walk in, play a few games, maybe win, maybe lose, and walk out. You're wrong. Because the casino onboard Carnival Splendor isn't just entertainment. It's a system. A carefully designed environment built to guide your movement, your spending, your time, and even your decisions. And if you walk through it casually, like most passengers do, you won't just miss the experience, you'll miss the advantages. But if you follow this walkthrough the right way, you'll move through the casino smarter, calmer, and with a completely different level of control. This is your step-by-step casino tour checklist onboard Carnival Splendor. Phase 1. Entering with awareness. Step 1. Don't walk in during peak rush hours. Most passengers enter the casino right after dinner or right after the main show ends. That's when it's loud, crowded, and chaotic. Why it matters. Peak hours are designed for energy, not clarity. You'll struggle to understand the layout or find favorable tables. If you skip this, you'll likely start playing in the worst conditions, distracted, rushed, and surrounded by noise. Pro tip, visit earlier in the evening or late at night after the first crowd leaves. The environment becomes calmer and easier to read. Step 2, pause at the entrance before moving forward. Take 10 seconds to observe. Why it matters. Casino layouts on board ships like those from Carnival Cruise Line are intentionally designed to pull you deeper inside. If you skip this, you'll be guided subconsciously by lights and sounds instead of making intentional choices. Insider detail, the most visually attractive machines are often placed near walkways for visibility, not necessarily value. Phase 2, mapping the space. Step 1. Walk the full perimeter first before sitting down anywhere. Take a slow loop around the entire casino floor. Why it matters. You're identifying the zones, slots, tables, high-limit areas, bar access, and quieter sections. If you skip this, you may start playing in high-traffic areas where interruptions and distractions are constant. Pro tip, quieter corners often have better seat availability and a more relaxed pace. Step 2, locate service points, find the cashier desk, and players' club desk early. Why it matters. These are your control points for money and rewards. If you skip this, you'll waste time later navigating crowds when you need assistance. Little known fact, some onboard casino promotions are only activated at the player's desk, not automatically. Phase 3, setting yourself up. Step 1, sign up for the casino program immediately, even if you're not planning to gamble heavily. Why it matters. Points accumulate faster than most people expect. If you skip this, you could miss out on future cruise offers or onboard perks. Insider detail, even small play sessions can trigger discounted future sailings. Step 2, decide your exploration budget before playing. This is not your gambling budget. It's your learning budget. Why it matters. Your first visit should be about understanding the environment. If you skip this, you'll likely spend emotionally instead of strategically. Example, passengers often lose $100 quickly just trying to figure things out. Phase 4, understanding the game. Step 1, observe table dynamics before sitting. Watch how long rounds take and how players interact. Why it matters. Fast tables increase pressure and reduce decision time. If you skip this, you may sit at a table where decisions are rushed. Pro tip, look for tables with relaxed dealers and steady pacing. Step 2, check minimum bets carefully. Minimums can vary throughout the night. See. Why it matters. A $10 table can become a $15 table later. If you skip this, your planned budget may disappear faster than expected. Little known fact, minimums sometimes rise after peak show times. Phase 5, optimizing your experience. Step 1, use the bar strategically. The casino bar isn't just for drinks. Why it matters. Positioning near it can provide better service flow. If you skip this, you may sit in areas with slower drink access. Insider detail, servers tend to circulate more frequently in mid-floor zones than edges. Step 2, play in sessions, not marathons. Break your time into short periods. Why it matters. Short sessions maintain clarity. If you skip this, fatigue sets in quickly, especially at sea. Example, many players lose track of time due to the absence of windows or clocks. Phase 6, timing your play. Step 1, return during off-peak late hours after midnight. The energy shifts. Why it matters. Crowds thin and pacing improves. If you skip this, you miss the most relaxed environment on board. Pro tip, late sessions often feel more controlled and less pressured. Step 2, try sea days versus port nights. Passenger flow changes dramatically. Why it matters. Port nights usually mean fewer players on board. If you skip this, you'll always experience the casino at its busiest. Phase 7. Knowing when to step away. Step 1. Leave after wins. Don't chase extended play. Why it matters. Momentum can quickly reverse. If you skip this, short wins often turn into longer losses. Insider detail. The environment encourages continued play after success. Step 2. Take physical breaks. Step outside into open decks. Why it matters. Fresh air resets your focus. If you skip this, you stay immersed in the casino's sensory design. Traps to avoid playing immediately after emotional moments like shows or drinks, assuming all machines or tables offer equal conditions, ignoring program enrollment, staying too long without breaks, playing without first observing the layout ending. Now here's the real question. When you walk into a cruise ship casino, do you treat it like entertainment or like an environment you can navigate intelligently?